Hi viewers, welcome to Shaker's Bio Factory for NEET. If you like this video, subscribe my channel and click on bell icon to get notification. In this video, I am going to explain some of the previous NEET multiple choice questions from transport in plants in between 2013 and 2020. NEET 2013, question number 1. Which of the following criteria does not pertain to facilitated transport? First option, it requirement of special membrane proteins. Second option, highly selectivity. Third option, transport saturation. Fourth option, uphill transport. In this, the correct answer is fourth option because the facilitated diffusion or transport it need special membrane proteins for transportation, and these proteins can allow only selective molecule, and the transport saturation take place when it reach maximum. But in this facilitated diffusion or transport, there is no uphill transport of molecules against concentration gradient. NEET 2016 Phase 1, question number 2. Water vapors come out from the plant leaf through the stomatal opening. Through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into plants during photosynthesis. So reason out the above statement using one of the following option. The first option is one process occurs during daytime and other occur at night time. Option 2, both processes cannot happen simultaneously. Third option, both processes can happen together because the diffusion coefficient of water and CO2 is different. Fourth option, the above processes happen only during night time. In this, the correct answer is first option because water vapors it came out through the stomata of leaf, it occurred during daytime. At the same time, carbon dioxide diffuses to outside of the stomata during night time in respiration. NEET 2016 Phase 2, question number 3. A few drops of sap were collected by cutting across the plant stem by a suitable method. The sap was tested chemically. Which of the following test result indicates that it is phloem sap? The first option, low refractive index. Second option, absence of sugar. Third option, acidic. Fourth option, alkaline. In this, the correct answer is fourth option, alkaline, because the phloem sap it having alkaline condition because of its composition. NEET 2017, question number 4. The water potential of pure water is first option less than 0, second option more than 0 but less than 1, third option more than 1, fourth option 0. The correct answer is fourth option. The water potential of pure water under without any pressure it is equal to 0. NEET 2017 question number 5. Which of the following facilitates opening of stomatal apparatus? First option, decrease in turgidity of God cells. Second option, radial orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the cell wall of God cells. Third option, longitudinal orientation of cellulose microfibrils in the cell wall of God cells. Fourth option, contraction of outer wall of God cell. In this, the correct answer is second option because the stomatal opening it is facilitated by radial orientation of cellulosic microfibrils present in the cell wall of God cell that leads to open of stomata. NEET 2018 question number 6. Stomatal movement is not affected by first option temperature, second option light, third option O2 concentration, fourth option CO2 concentration. The correct answer is first option. During movement or opening of stomata, light, oxygen, carbon dioxide, its quantity and concentration can affect its movement, but temperature it not play an important role in stomatal movement. NEET 2019 Phase 1. Question number 7. Xylem translocates. First option water only. Second option water and mineral salts only. Third option water, mineral salts and some organic nitrogen only. Fourth option water, mineral salts and some organic nitrogen along with hormones. In this, the correct answer is fourth option. NEET 2019 Phase 1. Question number 8. What is the direction of movement of sugars in phloem? First option non-multidirectional. Second option upward. Third option downward. Fourth option bidirectional. The correct answer is fourth option because the phloem it consists of sucrose in phloem sap, and this sucrose always can transport from higher pressure gradient to lower pressure gradient from source to string in bidirectional. NEET 2019 Phase 1. Question number 9. Pinus seeds cannot germinate and establish without fungal association. This is because of first option, its embryo is immature. Second option, it has obligate association with mycorrhizae. Third option, it has very hard seed coat. Fourth option, its seeds contains inhibitors that can prevent germination. The correct answer is second option because the germination of pinus seed not occur without association of mycorrhiza. The mycorrhiza filament it helps to absorb water, and this absorbed water it is supplied to embryo for seed germination so that the pinus seeds are not germinated if mycorrhiza is absent. NEET 2019 Phase 2. Question number 1. The main difference in between active and passive transport across cell membrane is first option passive transport is non-selective whereas active transport is selective. Second option passive transport requires a concentration gradient across biological membrane whereas active transport it requires energy to move solute particles. Third option passive transport is confined to anionic carrier proteins, whereas active transport is confined to cationic channel proteins. Fourth option, active transport occur more rapidly than passive transport. In this, the correct answer is second option. NEET 2019 Phase 2, question number 11. What will be the direction of flow of water when a plant cell placed in a hypotonic solution? First option, water will flow in both directions. Second option, water will flow outside of the cell. Third option, water will flow into the cell. Fourth option, no flow of water in any direction. The correct answer is third option because by keeping a plant cell in hypotonic solution at this time due to having of high water potential in surrounding solution compared to water potential of cytoplasm, the movement of water always take place from outside to inside of the cell. It is called end osmosis. NEET 2020 Phase 1. Question number 12. The process responsible for facilitating loss of water in liquid form from the tip of grass blade at night time and earlier morning is first option transpiration, second option root pressure, third option imbibition, fourth option plasmolysis. The correct answer is second option because root pressure is responsible to loss water from tip of grass blade. It is called guttation. This guttation is carried out by a special tissue or structure present at the tip of the leaf blade. It is called hydathode. NEET 2020 Phase 2. Question number 30. Select the incorrect statement. First option, transport of molecule in phloem can be bidirectional. Second option, movement of minerals in xylem is unidirectional. Third option, unloading of sucrose at a shrink does not involving in the utilization of ATP. Fourth option, elements most easily mobilized in plants from one region to another region like phosphorus, sulfur, nitrogen and potassium. The correct answer is third option because the loading and unloading of sucrose at a source and shrink it should need ATP energy. So the third option is the incorrect statement. Thanks for watching.